Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 Chemistry Past question 39. Sulphur A. Forms two alkaline oxides. B. Is spontaneously inflammable. C. Burns with a blue flame. And D. Conducts electricity in molten state. So we are asked to pick an option which is the correct property of sulphur. Now looking at this, I will briefly describe sulphur. Now sulphur is a yellow solid. It's an element. You can find sulphur on the periodic table. It's an element and it belongs to the group 6 of the periodic table. Now sulphur is a yellow solid. It exists in two forms. Sulphur exists in two forms, that is the amorphous sulphur and crystalline sulphur. And remember, sulphur also exhibits what? Allotropy. It exhibits allotropy. Now sulphur is insoluble in water. It is insoluble in water. Like I said, it is insoluble in water. Now sulphur does not conduct electricity, so making option D wrong. Do not conduct electricity at all. Do not conduct electricity. Sulphur do not conduct electricity. Now sulphur also forms two acidic oxides, that is the SO2 and SO3. So these two oxides of sulphur are acidic oxide, not alkaline, making option A wrong. Option B says it's spontaneously inflammable. Sulphur is not spontaneously inflammable. Sulphur only burns when there is plenty, burns in the presence of plenty oxygen. When there's enough O2, when there's enough oxygen, that's when sulphur burns, which is not spontaneously inflammable. And when sulphur burns, it burns with a bright blue flame. So you can see that option C is actually correct. Option B is wrong. So sulphur burns with what? With a bright blue flame. So option C is the correct answer to our question. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.